In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any object look 3D in Adobe Illustrator. Start by selecting the object you want to transform. This can be a logo, a shape, an icon, or even a line of text. Make sure you've got the right element highlighted so the effect applies exactly where you expect it to. With your object selected, go to Effect, 3D, and Materials. This opens the 3D options, and the great thing here is that these are live effects, so you're enhancing the look without permanently changing the original artwork. Now choose the 3D approach that best fits your design. Extrude and bevel is your go-to when you want to add thickness. Think of it as pulling your flat shape forward to give it depth. You can set how deep it goes, and if you like, add a bevel for a more sculpted edge. Revolve is perfect when you have a profile shape like half a bottle or a curved outline, and you want to spin that around an axis to create a full rounded object. It's like turning a silhouette into a real 3D form. Rotate, on the other hand, doesn't add thickness, it simply tilts your artwork in 3D space, which is ideal when you want a perspective look without changing the object's volume. Once you've chosen the option, fine-tune the settings. Depth controls how thick an extruded object becomes. Subtle adjustments often look cleaner and more realistic. Use the angle controls to set the orientation. Tilting on different axes helps you find a dramatic or natural viewpoint. Lighting makes a huge difference. Move the light source to define where highlights and shadows fall. Lower intensity for a softer, more diffused look, or increase it for sharper contrast and a punchier result. Materials determine surface feel. A matte material looks understated and modern, while a glossy or metallic material adds shine and reflectivity. Adjust roughness to control how smooth the surface appears, and tweak color to match your brand or artwork. As you adjust, make small changes and watch how the object responds. If edges look too harsh, soften the lighting or reduce the bevel. If the shape feels flat, slightly increase depth or adjust the viewing angle to reveal more faces. When you're happy with the preview, click OK.